I have cooked for many, many years. I would say I've probably cooked for 784 years at this point, which means I have a lot of recipes under my belt. Well, today I'm going to do a little refresh on a lot of my favorite recipes. The first one I'm going to do is steak and fries, but instead of regular fries, I'm going to make sweet potato fries, and I'm making a seasoning mix for the fries first. So I'm just starting with salt and pepper, cumin, and coriander, lots of yummy flavor, and oregano, and then just a little pinch, I hope, we'll see how much comes out, of cayenne pepper, and a pinch of sugar just to kind of give it a little bit of sweet caramelization. They won't be sweet fries, but the sugar just adds a little something, something. Okay, so for the sweet potato fries, I'm taking it easy on myself, which I tend to do these days. And I'm using frozen sweet potato fries. It's amazing the fries you can buy now. You can get sweet potato fries. You can probably get cauliflower fries, right? Wouldn't you say?
I'm sure.
So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of the seasoning, and I'm gonna save the rest of the seasoning for the steaks. And that's going to prove to be a very delicious decision. Okay, I'm just tossing the fries and the seasoning. All right, Paige, come to the oven with your mom. Your mom. I'm gonna bake the fries at 425 degrees for about 25 minutes, and I'm gonna shake them halfway through. Then I'll move forward with the steaks. All right, time to flip, stir, toss the fries. It's about the halfway point. Oh man, they smell good. It's amazing what you can do when you sort of make a homemade seasoning mix to sprinkle on frozen fries. It just kind of elevates the whole situation in a big way. Let's go back to the counter page. All right, we're gonna brush the steaks with a little bit of olive oil first. Now, these are skirt steaks. I started with 2 and I cut each one in half. So now I have 4 skirt steaks. And then I'm sprinkling half of the remaining seasoning mix over each one. And I've got the grill pan preheating. It's kind of starting to smoke a little bit. And then I'll brush the other side and pretty much the rest of the seasoning. Skirt steak is one of my favorites. It's so marbly and just tender. It lends itself really well to being grilled. So it was my top choice for this. All right, so I'm gonna get them onto the grill pan. I'm gonna put them right over where the burners are. And I'm putting the good side down first. And now I'm just gonna grill these over high heat for 3 minutes. Stay with me. All right, so the steaks are off the grill. Look, Paige, aren't they gorgeous? Look how beautiful they look. So I'm gonna make an herb drizzle. It's kind of like a chimichurri, and I'm adding chopped cilantro, chopped parsley, and chopped oregano to the bowl, along with a healthy little sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes, optional, and then some grated garlic, a good splash of red wine vinegar, and then I'm going to stir this while I drizzle in about half a cup of olive oil. I love dinners like this, and the fun thing is I'm actually gonna serve this whole dinner right on the sheet pan, which is my jam these days. We don't need no stinking platters. That just gives you one more thing you have to wash at the end of the evening. Alrighty, that looks delicious. Okay, that's the herb drizzle. So now I'm gonna slice the steaks. Wish me luck. Okay, got the steaks sliced. So Paige, come back to the oven with me. I'm gonna get the sweet potato fries and see how they look. You think they're done?
Yep.
Ooh, baby. Look. Now you can keep going until they're a little bit crispy, crunchy, but I think these look absolutely divine. So now I'm just gonna get everything onto the platter. I'll kind of keep the steaks together in little kind of groups. And you can move the fries out of the way and then you'll have a space for them. Or you can just put the steaks right on top of the fries. I kind of like making room. Make room for steaks. And I'm sorry, I can't help myself.
Mom. That's not fair.
What?
All right, drizzle your herbs.
My goodness. Oh, that seasoning is so good. Delicious. Now, come in slowly and watch this magic happen. Just put big spoonfuls of the herb drizzle over each steak. And then you can dish up the rest and put it on the side or just put it all on top and then it's all inclusive. Talk about an amazing dinner. You can serve ketchup or ranch for the fries. They really don't need it. You want one? I'll have one too. We can try it together.
Hot, hot. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this seasoning's so good.
Now that is my idea of a recipe refresh.